Welcome. In front of me I have Nokia 216 and today I will show you how you can add or remove PIN code from your SIM card. So at first you have to go for the menu and then scroll down to the settings. Next we have to go for the connectivity and scroll to the dual SIM. Go for the SIM settings and right now we can pick SIM card. So I'm going to add and remove code for SIM first. I will show you how to make it, so click OK to choose. And then we have to go for the PIN code request. Click OK to enter, and as you can see currently the PIN code is activated, but if you want to turn it off you have to go for the off, then click OK and then input your currently PIN code. So in my case it's 1 1 1 and 1. Click OK, and as you can see right now PIN code will be not required if we restart our device. And that's how we can make it. And if you want to add PIN code to your SIM card, you have to just click here, and when it's turned off you have to go for the on. Click OK and then input your new PIN code. I mean your currently PIN code, then 1 1 1 and 1. Click OK, and as you can see, that's how we can make it. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.